Hi guys! Today I'm here in Tokyo to join the Wheelers Restaurant Bus, the special editions of factory night views and the drone show. The kaiseki dinner was so gorgeous! Sometimes they open up the roof to let us see night views more clearly. This is a new tourist commercial building in Japan. And Tokyo Towers, you know. Have you ever seen it from this angle? Isn't it gorgeous? And gorgeous night views in Kawasaki Factory area. The view from the bus was wondrous. Then we came to Kawasaki Racecourse to see night drone show. It was about 10 minutes show. I'm fast forwarding this video, but the story was so cute. It was amazing. Thank you for watching. Check the details of the tours in the comments.